Hi folks, Vin Wells here with rockbottomlasers.com. What I'm featuring today is a 2014 Cutera Xeo navigation system. What makes this so unique is that it's a more recent model of the Xeo system, and it's in excellent condition, very low use. It does have the full ND-YAG for all laser treatments, laser hair removal, vein removal, and the very popular Laser Genesis skin rejuvenation treatment, which has been around now for a number of years and has gotten a lot of great results for doctors that are treating their patients with skin rejuvenation. It also has a ProwaveLX IPL hair removal device that is designed for finer, lighter hair, and does a nice job to complement the ND-YAG so that you can treat all hair types very effectively. And also the Limelight is an excellent IPL handpiece that does all different forms of skin rejuvenation for photofacials, pigment reduction, facial veins, all of those things. So it's just a great all-around device for use in your skin rejuvenation aesthetic practice. The pulse counts on the machine are quite low. The ND-YAG, the long pulse count for the YAG is only 102 pulses, and the short pulses, which is the more rapid 10 hertz or 10 pulses per second, is 1.5 million, so still very, very low pulses. The Limelight handpiece is actually a newer handpiece. It was replaced on this system, and so the pulse counts are very, very low. And the Prowave 770 also has very low pulse counts. The Prowave is designed to last 100,000 pulses, and so it has about 78% of its life still remaining. So it's a great way to go. This device does come with a 90-day warranty, as does all of our aesthetic equipment that we're selling. Crating and shipping is already included in the price. And so we definitely invite you to take a look at this device. I don't think it's going to last very long, and thank you for subscribing to rockbottomlasers.com.